kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen, guys. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I make my summer drink, and I'm going to make carrot drink. Stay tuned and let's get started. So guys, I'm going to use 3 ingredients to make my carrot juice. We are in summer, you know, as the weather is too hot, so I need to quench my taste with my carrot juice. So I just need my carrots, my ginger, and my lemon or orange. I'm using orange in this video for my carrot juice. I also make another video using the orange and show you guys how it tastes. So guys, I will chop my carrots into smaller size in order for me to blend them easily. Chop my carrots, my ginger, and my orange into smaller size. After chopping these ingredients, make sure they are well cleaned. So you can see a bowl behind there is water inside. After, I will still wash them because already the carrots have been washed, but I will still go ahead and wash them again and put the ingredients into a blender. Add my water, little amount of water because I don't want plenty juice, I just want small, and add sugar to taste. You can also use brown sugar or honey to taste. So guys, stay tuned and watch. If today is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Limonzi Kitchen, and don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. I am still reminding you guys to join my membership, be part of Limonzi Lovers. Keep supporting, share my video to your other platforms. So guys, you squeeze the orange juice and add it to it. As I'm doing, I'm squeezing the orange juice and I'll add it to my carrots. Then I'll add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll add my sugar. Since I'm making this juice for my kids, so I need to go in for pure or clean water, that is bottled water. I use bottled water in blending of my juice. I added it. So after, you will strain it. You will strain the juice to take off the fibers out. The fiber is not needed in this place. We just need the juice of the carrot. Then you will serve with a chilled ice cube. Then your carrot juice is ready. Do not buy carrot juice from stores again. Don't buy from supermarkets, nearby roadside. Don't buy them again. You can make your own carrot juice in the house. Thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Save drama, cause I don't need it in your soap opera. Hola, hola, Mr. Lopa. I'm not here to cause wahala. Hello, diva, save your drama. You don't need this in your soap opera. If you're there for me, when the border hunger.